Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Absolutely. Singapore is a fantastic destination with a unique blend of modernity and tradition, offering visitors a wide range of experiences. Here are some reasons why Singapore is a great place to visit. Cultural diversity. Singapore is a melting pot of different cultures, including Chinese, Malay, Indian, and various other ethnic groups. This diversity is reflected in the city's architecture, cuisine, and festivals. Delicious food. Singapore is a food lover's paradise. You can savor a variety of dishes at hawker centers, where you'll find local favorites like Hainanese chicken rice, laksa, chili crab, and more. Modern cityscape. The city boasts an impressive skyline with iconic landmarks like Marina Bay Sands, Gardens by the Bay, and the futuristic Supertree Grove. Gardens and green spaces. Despite being a bustling city, Singapore takes pride in its green spaces. Gardens by the Bay and Singapore Botanic Gardens are must-visit places for nature enthusiasts. Shopping. Shopaholics will find their paradise in Singapore with a vast array of shopping options, from high-end luxury boutiques to street markets like Bugis Street. Nightlife. The city comes alive at night with various entertainment options, from rooftop bars to nightclubs, making it a vibrant and exciting place to explore after dark. Efficient public transportation. Singapore's public transportation system is highly efficient, making it easy for visitors to get around and explore the city. Safety. Singapore is known for being one of the safest cities in the world, providing travelers with peace of mind during their visit. Unique experiences. Enjoy experiences like the night safari at Singapore Zoo, the Sentosa Island Resort, and the Merlion Park, among many other attractions. Cultural events and festivals. Depending on the time of your visit, you might be able to witness cultural celebrations like Chinese New Year, Deepavali, Hari Raya, or the Singapore Grand Prix. Remember to respect local customs and laws while visiting Singapore, as it is a country known for its strict regulations. But overall, Singapore offers a memorable and enriching experience for travelers of all interests. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.